up, double nickels?
Day 62, and I'm getting ready to say goodbye to my awesome support of a husband. Thank you so much, John. Had a great weekend with you. I hiked every day, and you helped me with meeting me and resupplying me, so thanks a lot. But look what I got coming up. Rain! But as John will say, it's not too bad. Just misting. I did finally order an umbrella, a lightweight umbrella, but I don't have it obviously now. But in a couple weeks it'll be good. Look who's got the umbrella and who doesn't.
Ow!
Mr. City Guy there, going back to the warm beach.
Yeah.
And
Hopefully it's warm. It's been cold all day.
And look how misty it is. Foggy or whatever.
Perfect day for a hike on the AT.
Oh yeah, lovely.
Especially when you're a double nickel.
Double nickels!
Racking up the miles. Day 62.
Day 62.
Day 62.
Heading into Shenandoah National Park.
Yeah.
And the rain is picking up.
And it's only going to be another one.
Okay, well that was hard. Leaving my husband and having to hike in this weather with my blaze. I got this though. We can do it. I'm lucky to be able to do this. There are people that physically cannot. I'm very lucky. As I see a sign, arrive alive. Yes, I would like to arrive alive. There he is. Where's he going? All right, now I'm actually more worried about a car not seeing me and hitting me. Look how close I am to the road here. I don't like it. I have to keep turning around. And then trust that people are paying attention. And I don't really have any, well, I guess my coat's kind of bright. Pants are already pretty wet. Okay, John, I won the bet. He said there's gonna be a kiosk. Nope, I said it was gonna be a paper and pen. I was right. Getting my backcountry hiking permit that I need to fill out for Shenandoah. All right. This is what I look like hiking in the rain. My socks and shoes are wet. But this is my choice. I'll get through it. Okay, today's going to be all about the mental attitude. I can do this. There's many worse things than what I'm doing. And it will pass eventually. Okay, now it's been probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours of torrential downpour. Now it's just raining. Everything is soaked, including my underpants. I'm gonna need to take off probably the bottoms of my pants because they're just clinging to my legs, the wetness, and it's making it heavy. So I also need to go to the bathroom. So when I stop, I'll probably take off the bottom of my pants. It's been a challenging morning. All right. So I stopped to go to the bathroom since it's only sprinkling. Took off my sopping wet bottoms of my pants. I'm totally soaked through, like I said, my underpants, my shirt, and my bra. So why did I buy this expensive raincoat? This raincoat was $100 from Light Heart Gear, and it doesn't work. Yes, it's light, but it doesn't keep me dry. I said earlier I have an umbrella on order, but that doesn't help me today. Just kind of mad that this raincoat is not helping me. Anyways, I'm happy that the torrential downpour has slowed down and it's only sprinkling now. The rain slowed a little bit. Look how pretty this forest looks. Ferns, trees. Squishy, squishy for me. misty. There's my view. Someplace in the beginning, the southern part of Shenandoah National Park. They're kind of cool. Little chairs. Follow the white blazes. It's kind of weird that it's like right there. It's nice looking. I'm gonna need to make a decision soon. I got a shelter coming up. It's only noon and I've gone like 7 miles. If the weather stays like this, I'd like to keep going. The next shelter's like 13.5 miles up. But not if it's pouring rain like it was earlier. I'd rather just stay in this guaranteed shelter and stay dry. I don't have service right now, so I can't check the weather app. Decisions. All right, it's 12:22. 0.3 just to get to this shelter. It's currently not raining. It is supposed to rain and thunderstorm before 8 o'clock tonight. 13 miles to the next shelter. I don't think I want to be done at 12:22 today. I wish the next shelter was closer, but I'm going to take a chance. I also don't want to waste 0.3 going in and 0.3 coming out tomorrow. But all right, guys, Mother Nature, please cooperate with me this afternoon. Let's go. Lunchtime. Had to pick a power line area because I wanted a little bit of sunlight or a little bit of light coming in. Dry off a little bit. Check it out. It stopped raining. And that road behind me is Skyline Drive in Shenandoah National Park. I highly recommend driving this. I drove it last fall. Super fun, great views on a good day. They have a couple lodges you can stay at here. Really cool national park in Virginia. Public service announcement. If you put a bag of peanut M&Ms in your side pant pocket and they get wet and you forget about them until several hours later and go to get them, realize the bag got open. This is what happens. Getting ready to cross over the road again. This is probably the 4th time. Oh, they gave me an arrow this time. That way. No cars. Oh, right here, I think. Where is the blaze? See the sign for the back country? That's what that is. Where's the right place? Being stingy with it, huh? Where is it? There's another sign on a tree. No blaze though. Let's see what this says. I hope it's not about bears. It does say warning. Yep. Bears. Darn it. You darn bears. I know this is your territory, but geez. Here we go. Black Rock Hut. And Spring. 0.2 to the right. Yes, baby. It wasn't pretty. It poured in the morning and it poured in the evening. And I am soaked to the bone, but I made it. Now we go find out who's here. So I'm in a shelter for the night here after hiking over 20 miles. There's gonna be 4 other people in the shelter with me and 2 people in their tent sites. It's still raining off and on, and let's see what tomorrow brings, but pretty proud that I got all these miles in today in spite of the rain. So see you later.